Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, I would like to inform you that the kids were getting their report cards today.
Okay.
You have to speak like this, okay?
Sure, I understand.
Well, I need you to look at his report card.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Let me take a look here. Well, it looks like he's got some grades here. It looks like he's got, in history, an A++. That's very good. Attendance is, I don't know, it's scribbled out. And then math has been scribbled out. It looks like his report card has been altered. Someone has altered his report card. Who would do such a thing?
No, wait.
That is a mischievous offense.
Wait.
And we will have to find them and ground them!
Ground
him!
Wait a
I will have to ground him!
Wait a second.
Ground you!
Wait a second. Wait. You have to tell the chef if the grades are suspicious.
They are very suspicious. I tell you, these look very... It looks like you did all this suspicious work, didn't you?
Wait, you have to tell me, do these grades look suspicious?
Do these grades look suspicious to you?
So, Cutie Pie, you think you're gonna get away with this?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
Now you have to tell me to tell Dad that they're A's.
Well, those were just A's on my report card.
No, you have to tell me to tell your dad that they're A's.
Explain to them that they're A's on my report card, please.
I gotcha. He scribbled on the F's and told him that he failed. He really failed.
That's it. They're all grounded. You all are in big, big trouble for lying.
And
end of story.
And